I'm Helen from Helen's House and Garden. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes in bags. I'm using an old compost bag. All I've done is turned it inside out and rolled down the edges, and then I've filled it with about 8 inches or 20 centimetres of compost. If you're using fertiliser, you want to mix that in at this stage. Next, just grab 3 seed potatoes and then plant them out like so, spacing them equally around the circumference of the bag. Make sure that the shoots on the potatoes are facing upwards. And then just add some more compost until you covered the seed potatoes. At this stage you have a choice. You can either top up the potatoes with compost as you go along, as the potatoes grow up through, or you can fill the bag up to the top now. Today I'm going to top up the bags as I go along, simply because I do not have enough compost to plant out all the seed potatoes and fill them up to the top. I'm going to use the top it up as you go along method, or earthing up as it's called, for these bags of potatoes, and hopefully at the end of the season we'll see if there is any difference between topping up as you go along or just filling your container bag, etc. from the outset. I'm just smoothing out the soil and breaking up any lumps as I go along, and then just lifting the bag up because you need a little bit of space for watering, and if you fill the bag right up to the top when you first water, the water will just pour over the top of the bag. The compost bag that I'm using actually has drainage holes already in situ, so if you are actually using a different type of bag, maybe a thick bin bag, a rubble bag, etc., bearing in mind you will need to put some drainage holes in the bottom, otherwise you will just rot your potatoes because the water will gather in the bottom and have nowhere to drain. Once you're happy with the level of soil, making sure that your bag is situated in the position that where you want to grow it, then make sure you give it a really good water. The soil in this case is dry, so it needs a jolly good watering. Here's my potato corner. I have got 3 pots of sweet corn growing. They're the ones with the green leaves. Everything else in this corner is potatoes, and it's fenced out of the way from Monty Dog, because if he sees a pot which appears to have no content, he sees that as an area to dig. By the time the potatoes are ready for their first earthing up, I will have compost available. So all I'll do is just add a few shovelfuls on the top, covering the green leaves as they grow through, and then carry on that way until the bags are completely full. And here you can see this is 3 weeks later. Compost is being delivered tomorrow, so it's good timing. The potatoes are now ready to earth up, as you can see the leaves popping through. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll see the journey I have with potatoes for this growing season, some more how-to videos, and I've already harvested some potatoes, so video of that will be coming up shortly. So please click like, subscribe, share. It really helps my channel grow. Hit me up in comments if you have any questions, or just let me know how you're getting on with your potato growing. But for now, take care, and I shall be seeing you.